Welcome to a brief clinical demonstration for how to acquire an anterior scan using the DEXIS Imprevo. We'll start with an animated demonstration of the ideal path for acquiring an anterior scan. Beginning on the lower arch, gently place the scanner tip on the facial surface of the canine and glide the scanner from the facial over the incisal edge to the lingual surface. Glide the scanner to the lateral and glide the scanner from the lingual over the incisal to the facial. Repeat until all anterior teeth are scanned using a zigzag pattern. We'll repeat and expand on this procedure using live action footage to provide a real-world demonstration for acquiring an anterior scan. We'll begin on the lower arch. Press the mode button on your scanner to change the arch if necessary. Gently place the scanner tip on the facial surface of the canine and glide the scanner from the facial over the incisal edge to the lingual surface. Glide the scanner to the lateral and glide the scanner from the lingual over the incisal to the facial. Repeat until all anterior teeth are scanned using a zigzag pattern. Refer to the live viewing screen as you scan to verify the teeth being scanned are in focus. For embrasures areas, rotate your wrist back and forth when scanning to capture the necessary areas. Press the mode button to scan the opposing arch and follow the same recommended scanning protocols for the upper anterior teeth. Thank you for watching. For more information and more DEXIS clinical training videos, please visit our website at dexis.com.